Important update for all Thrive Suite users, Thrive Architect and Thrive Leads forms will now natively support webhooks. But what is a webhook? Let me see if I can keep this super simple. Look, a webhook is an automated message sent from an application when a specific event occurs. It's a way for apps to send real-time information to other applications. Think of it as an automatic notification system, if you will. When something happens in one app, for example, when a new Thrive Architect form is submitted, a webhook can instantly send data, for example, the information from your Thrive Architect form, whether that's the email, the name, etc., about that event to another application. In the past, in order for Thrive Suite forms to support webhooks, you had to use an intermediary tool that you would send information to, and in turn, that intermediary tool would send that information to your app of choice. That's no longer the case. You can get rid of that middle piece of tech and simply have your forms directly connected to your app of choice. First, you need a form on your site powered by Thrive Architect or Thrive Leads. Once you drop it on your page, you'll notice how there's a new area in the left-hand toolbar for you to have your form send a webhook upon submission. You'll need to insert the webhook URL. You'll also need to specify the type of request that you'd like to perform and how you wish to format it, which for most of you folks, it will just be of type form. Don't forget to also map all of your form fields to an actual value in your webhook. You can also pass additional data in your header if you so desire. But yeah, other than that, you should be pretty much good to go. Let me know if you like this update. There are more exciting things in the works, so be sure to subscribe if you don't want to miss out on those. And yeah, I appreciate your time. Thanks again.